Hello everyone, welcome back. Another unboxing. I'm evolving. My DIY is evolving with the evolution. So this is an evolution circular saw. It says it's 230 volt on the side there. Multiple boxes here to open. This is going to be the main ticket here. Oh dear. So I'll open this wee box quickly first. I'm assuming this is just the guide to the saw. So that's pretty interesting actually, guys, to have that. On the evolution is supposed to be a multi-cutting blade. I assume these are things that it has been tested on at some decent gauge steel, some aluminium or light steel stud. That's a stud. Basically that screws go through there and the plasterboard goes on the front. Dry lining, lightweight, and timber with nails on it. So I already have, if I had knew all this stuff that's going to be in here, I would have made this more of just an unboxing. It's very interesting, bit of copper pipe. So this machine should be able to cut all of these with nails in them. That's quite impressive. I want to know how smooth the blade feels going through them, if there's any kick, if there's any feel or sense of danger doing that. I think it's just some normal timber and copper. So funny, I've just previously done another unboxing and it's about destroying these shoes, and I don't know if it's a steel toe cap or what's on it, so maybe the evolution can help me along that process. Maybe I can run this saw across them and see what damage would do on these just indestructible shoes. Let's find out. Let's have a wee look inside, guys. So this product's got quite a high rating. It's got quite a good guarantee here. I think they're giving a 3-year guarantee, and this is going to be on YouTube as well, on my YouTube and probably my Facebook, Twitter, and don't use Snapchat, and don't really use Pinterest. I think that's Instagram. Probably will be on all the things I can share it on. But yeah, so like I said, I want to evolve into more DIY videos and stuff as well. Here's the guide that I thought was in that box. I'm going to keep all these wee things and give it a wee test out in the near future here with them products. But yeah, I have a couple of good ideas to come up that I will be using this saw to help me with. So, pretty cool. These guys out first. So the guide rails will all click together, and that will help if you're cutting any lengths of things, keep nice straight cuts. Okay, the saws. Again, guys, if you are going for tools like this, I think these are for like the extractor. If you have an extractor, maybe it can suck it out, a big hoover, suck the dust away, which is pretty impressive. The book that I recommend you read, that'll be probably the attachment for the guide rail onto the saw itself. So now onto the saw. safe. Let's have a look at this thing. The whole reason I sort of already like the idea of the Evolution circular saws and chap saws and stuff is these multi-cutting blades that, look at the things it says it can cut. I think that's a depth gauge wood with nails. You know, it's pretty impressive. Obviously, I think it does say, it says nail, steel, aluminium, wood and plastic up at the top, along the top there. I think I did read up about it though as well. It says that the more you cut metal and things with, you know, it will decrease the life of the blade. But that's to be expected, like you're cutting metal with a multi-blade, so obviously the harder the products you're cutting, the more wear on whatever blade it is you're using. So let's get on to the saw. So, looks a good design to me so far. Bit of weight to it, but not in a bad way. Get all the angles of your cuts there and locked in. This turned into more of a review than just an unboxing. It's the wee guide. You pull that forward before you start the cut. Safety button, just like the mixing drills have. Put button in before it'll let you cut. And it'll come off straight away. See a wee hexagon key here, which will be for the blade, to fit the blade. Let's see how easy that is on video. So I do have a project up and coming that I want to do with this. So definitely do read the instructions, guys, before you start fitting blades and stuff. Because obviously if you don't have that blade fitted correctly, it can slip, jam, kick out on you. So definitely make sure you're looking after yourselves with whatever tools or equipment you're using, and products. Can't wait to get using this. Right, so there must be a way to lock that too. I'm going to have to read the instructions to make sure I have the blade fitted correctly when I do test this. Believe it or not, its first test could be running along my shoes. If you haven't watched the unboxing of them and what I'm talking about at all, I'll link it in the description also. I'll drop this in the description to the Evolution website and stuff, so if you want to have a look at this and see what I've got myself. But yeah, there's plenty of settings and guides and stuff here as well. There's your cutting guide there. But yeah, definitely very excited here to get this going. There's the lock there. That's the lock, push in. Same as a grinder, guys, you have to actually lock the blade before you have it tightened. But like I say, make sure you read the manuals on any equipment you're using. Make sure you feel safe and that you are safe before you go ahead with that. And yeah, this is going to help me out on a couple of projects, and especially if in this house we do laminate flooring, I might have a go up with this blade, see what it's like. But I definitely have an upcoming video that I'm wanting to try it on as well. But yeah, so that's the Evolution circular saw unbox, guys. and I'm looking forward to getting this thing on video, doing a couple of things as well. There's some more stats. That's where the brushes are for changing them. Hopefully I won't ever have to do that. So hit a thumbs up, guys, for more unboxings and to see more of this in use as well.
I'm looking forward to hearing all the comments.